Good morning, student. I hope everyone fine. Today we will discuss about exercise 7th B of decimal chapter. So let's see question number 1. Convert each of the following into a fraction in its simplest form. So see question number first, 0.9. So how we convert that decimal into fraction? So my dear student, we know that in this question only one decimal places is there. Okay. So we have to write 0.9 is equals to 9 by 10. And see question number third, 0.08. So here we have to convert into fraction form. So there are two decimal places. So we have to write 8 upon 100. And now 8 upon 100, it's not a simplest form. So we have to convert in simplest form, divided by 4, or we have to cut. Okay. So here I have to show divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 and 100 divided by 4. So what we get? 2 upon 25. Next, 0.48. In this question also there are two decimal places, 0.48. So there are two decimal places. So we have to write in a form of fraction 48 upon 100. And then we have to convert into simplest form. So what we get when we have to convert into simplest form? 12 upon 25. And you have to cut by our method. Question number 7. See 0.125. In this question, how many decimal places? There are 3 decimal places. So we have to write 125 upon 1000. And we know that 125 and 1000, that will be cut by 125. So here I have to show directly 1 upon 8. Okay. Now see question number 10. The question is 16.5. So how many decimal places are there? Only 1. So we have to write 165 upon 10. And then when we have to write 165 upon 10, so that is not in simplest form. So that we have to cut by 5. Okay. So that is 2za and 33za times it will be cut by 5. So what we get? 33 upon 2. And now finally our answer is 16. 1 by 2 is answer. Now see question number 12. 4.275. So let's see that question. 4.275, that means how many decimal places in this question? There are 3 decimal places. So how we convert into fraction form? We have to write 4275 upon 1000, and then both number will cut by 25. So we will divide by 25, then we get 171 upon 40. And after that we have to converting into mixed fraction. 411 upon 40 is our final answer. Let's see next question. 7.004. In these questions, all the questions are same concept based questions. So 7004 upon 1000 because of 3 decimal places. Okay. And then after we have to convert into simplest form. Then we have to divide it by 4. And after division what we get? 1751 upon 250. And now we will convert into mixed fraction because of that is improper. Now question number 16. Here our question is 108. 3.108. 3.108. And then after here, what we have to see? There are 3 decimal places. So we have to write 3108 upon 1000, and that convert into simplest form. For simplest form, we have to divide it by 4, and then we get the answer 327 upon 250. Now question number 18. In this question, 167 upon 100. The question is asking, convert given fraction into decimal. Okay. So just opposite to the previous question. In the previous question, decimal is given, we have to convert into fraction form. But in this question, fraction is given, we have to convert into decimal form. Okay. So how we will write 167 upon 100? So we have to write directly answer 1.67, just because the concept of there are, if it is the denominator is 100, so how many decimal places are there? There are 2 decimal places. So we will write 1.67, or we have to show the division like this. Okay. Now see next question. Same question, 5413 upon 1000. So that when the denominator is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 like that. So we will write the directly answer by observing there are 3 0. So how many decimal places are there? It means we have to write 3 decimal places. 5.413 is answer. And then you have to use the division method also. Okay. Now next question, question number 23. In question number 23, the question is 3 upon 5. So that is the mixed fraction. So firstly we will convert into improper fraction. That you also know that step how we will convert. So after conversion we get 18 upon 5, and then after that 18 upon 5 we convert into decimal. How? 5 will divide it by 18. So as you know that the division is 5 1 za, 2 za, 3 za. 3 za, 5 3 za is 15. So we have to write the 15, and then we have to write 3 after 8 minus 5, and then insert 0. When we have to insert 0, so before 0 the decimal place is there. So we have to put the decimal, and then after insert 0, and then again we have to count the table. 5 6 are 30. What we get, the decimal form is 3.6, our answer. See next question, 12 3 by 8. In this question also same concept. Here firstly we will convert mixed fraction into improper. So what we get when after conversion, 99 upon 8, and then we have to divide 8 divided by 99.000. Okay. So firstly 1s are times, then we have to 8, and then after what we get 1, insert 9. Okay. What we get 19. 2s are times 16, and then what we get here, we get 3, insert 0. So let's see here, when we insert 0, so here no number is there, so we have to put the decimal by ourselves, and then after we have to insert 0. Okay. Then after 8 3s are 24, and now after that here 10 minus 4 6. So here also we have to insert again 0, and then after we count next 8 7s are 54, and then we get the 4. Again there are remainder is 4, so we will insert again 0, and then here 40 is there. Now 8 5s are 40. So what is the decimal form? 12.37 5. That is answer. Next question, 37 upon 50. That also same like that, we will divide by 50, 37. So firstly we divide, that is not divisible. So we will point, insert the decimal and put it 0. It means 7s are times, that is divised. So 5 7s are 350. And now we get 220. So here insert again 10 and then we get 200. So 54s are 200. It means our decimal form is 0.74 is answer. In the next question, same like that. See in this question, 7 upon 8. So here that is not, 7 is not divisible. So we will move to the next digit. But here no digit is there. So we will insert the point and 0. Okay. So after that there is the 70 is there. It means we have to divide it by 8 times. 64 times. And now we get here 6. Again we insert the 0. How many times it will be divided? 7s are times. So we will write 56 and then remaining 4. Again we insert the 0 and then 5s are times. It means we have to find the answer 0.875. So that's all for today. I hope you all are understood.